In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a full-page database into Inline in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool that helps you organize and visualize information in numerous ways, and sometimes you might want more flexibility with the way your data is displayed, especially if you'd like your database to flow seamlessly with other content. Converting a full-page database to an inline format can help achieve a more integrated look and feel, making it easier to use alongside your other notes, tasks, or text. Let's start by opening your full-page database in Notion. This is the initial step, so ensure you have your Notion app open and navigate to the page or workspace where your database is located. Once you've found it, click on it to open it fully. This will allow you to view and access all the settings related to your database. Now focus your attention on the top of your page. You'll notice a set of small, precise dots aligned in a grid pattern. This is often referred to as the 6-dot icon, which represents the handle for dragging or modifying elements in Notion. It's usually located near the title or name of your database. Click on these dots to access a drop-down menu that presents various options for modifying how your database is displayed. Among the options you'll see, look for the one labeled Inline. The purpose of this option is to convert your standalone full-page database into an inline format within the page. By doing this, the database will no longer occupy an entire page as a single entity. Instead, it'll be embedded within your existing page content. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to view and edit your database alongside other relevant information or notes, significantly improving workflow and information accessibility. After selecting Inline, you'll notice your full-page database condenses elegantly within the same page, appearing just as a section amongst your other notes or text. At this point, your database is now inline, allowing you to freely incorporate additional context or commentary above or below it. This setting is perfect for people looking to integrate databases with other documentation, or for those who want a more holistic view of their projects or studies. That's all there is to it. This process not only makes the database more accessible, but also more contextually relevant, as you can immediately follow the data with essential notes or descriptions. This also helps in presentations or reports where the database is used in conjunction with textual explanations. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and now you're ready to turn your full-page databases into seamless, inline parts of your Notion workflow. Feel free to play around with additional customization options to tailor the database to your exact needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on optimizing your digital workspace.